Welcome to Anderson Center for Hair and Aesthetics. Go ahead and make yourself at home, and the doctor will be right with you.
Hey, how you doing? Here for consultation? Great, follow me. I'm Nelson, and I'm actually one of the consultants here at Anderson Center for Hair. What I'm gonna do is just answer some general questions for you today, talk about some options, and then we'll get Dr. Anderson to come in, and he's gonna sit with you, talk with you in detail, and kind of come up with the best plan of attack. And we're gonna be in here today. So let's talk a little bit about surgery and some of your options. Here we have one of our patients that's had a procedure done, and as you can see, a drastic difference in the before and after. We've done a great job at accomplishing a natural transplant and hairline that looks like Mother Nature has put it there. This is the robotic system, the ARTAS system that we use, which is the cutting edge in technology when it comes to FUE transplants. We have some grafts that have been extracted from the scalp with our robotic system. You can see that these grafts are fully intact. You can see the healthy follicles here, all the hairs ready to be placed and to grow in the scalp. If you don't have any further questions for me, I'll step out quickly and grab Dr. Anderson so he can continue the consultation and answer any questions that you have.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Dr. Ken Anderson. Welcome to the Anderson Center for Hair. Welcome to your consultation. We're going to sit down and we're going to discuss what hair loss is and the various options to deal with that, both from a surgical and a non-surgical standpoint. And I think you're going to find out there's really never been a better time to have hair loss with all the new technologies that we have to treat it, including lasers, robots, and plasma. So let's get started. You're a great candidate for the ARTAS robotic hair transplant surgery because you want the option of wearing, up to military-grade short haircuts in the future, and you don't want to deal with any permanent linear scar. Patients often wonder about discomfort during and after the procedure. All of my patients are very surprised to learn after going through the experience that it's far less intense and painful than even having your teeth cleaned at the dental hygienist. Patients often ask, how much time am I going to need to recover? Well, the recovery is not painful, but there is some redness in the treated area that lasts from about 3 to 7 days, and that's about how long most patients take off of work. Patients often wonder if it's going to look unnatural or pluggy. Well, I'm happy to say that technology has changed, and we use robots now to transplant one single hair follicle at a time, so you can be ensured of natural and permanent results. A lot of patients are not ready to jump into surgery. However, there are many non-surgical options such as platelet-rich plasma and low-level laser therapy that in most patients will dramatically slow down or appear to stop the hair loss, but in some patients will affect a regrowth of hair as seen here. Well, it was great talking with you. Thanks for coming out to the Anderson Center for Hair to discuss your options. Some doctors are hard to get a hold of during the week. I'm not one of those doctors. I'm going to give you one of my cards here. It's got all my information on it. You can reach out by telephone or email anytime. If you or your family have any questions about the treatment plan, please feel free to reach out.